understanding, confide in, trust shared in words. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a very special phrase in the English language, confide in. This phrase holds a lot of power in describing relationships and trust. So if you've ever wondered what it means to truly share a secret or a deep thought with someone, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unlock the meaning together. The phrase, confide in, comes from the Latin word, confidere, which means to trust fully. When we confide in someone, we are doing more than just talking. We are entrusting them with something personal or private. It's an action that shows deep trust and connection with a person. Confide might remind you of confidence, and that's no coincidence because when you confide in someone, you show confidence in their ability to keep your shared thoughts safe and secret. You can confide in someone when you have something important, personal, or sensitive to share. This could be a worry, a secret, or just something about your life that you don't feel comfortable telling everyone. In personal relationships, I always confide in my best friend when I'm feeling overwhelmed. In professional settings, he confided in his mentor about his career doubts. In narrative writing, the character confides in her diary, revealing her true feelings. Remember, the phrase is often followed by the person or entity you trust, showing the direction of your trust. Understanding and using the phrase, confide in, correctly can help in conveying the emotional depth of a conversation or relationship. It's a phrase that describes an act that can strengthen bonds between people or can create narrative depth in storytelling. Building trust. When you confide in someone, you're both building and testing trust. Emotional relief. Sometimes, confiding in someone is a way of seeking emotional relief or support. Developing characters. In storytelling, a character who confides in another is often seen as vulnerable and relatable. When you decide to confide in someone, keep a few things in mind to maintain trust and respect. Do choose someone you trust deeply. Do be aware of the sensitive nature of what you're sharing. Don't confide in someone who has broken your trust before. Don't feel pressured to share more than you're comfortable with. Confiding is a choice that should come with consideration and care. I hope this exploration of confide in has been illuminating and will help you navigate your relationships with more insight and trust. Remember, when you choose to confide in someone, you're doing much more than sharing. You're fostering connection and intimacy. Until our next video, keep practicing and keep learning. Goodbye for now, and take care.